Today on episode 4 of Renovations Revealed, I'm pleased to show you this two-story home in Huntington in Northbrook. This floor plan is very popular in our neighborhood, and one of the complaints is that the kitchen is tight and small in the middle. So with this renovation on the first floor, they knocked out a wall, vaulted a ceiling, and it looks amazing. It's great space, so I'm excited to show you. Come on in. I asked the homeowners, Jennifer and Scott, to tell us about their experience. I asked them, what was your motivation to kick off this extensive first floor project? They said, our kitchen was original to the house and it didn't function how we needed it to. Our kitchen is very busy, and in addition to being outdated, it felt crowded even with just the 4 of us in it. I asked them if you had a design in mind or did you work with a contractor? They said we did have a high-level design in mind, but our contractor helped us translate it into a plan and brought us great ideas. So I asked, what was your greatest challenge? I've heard supplies and resources have been tight. She said, well, we were lucky. We didn't have any issues with supplies. We had heard about this as well and ordered our appliances at the very start of the process. So in this space, they knocked out this wall, and now we have a vent hood, the 6-burner stove, and these porcelain counters are absolutely gorgeous and very durable. But over here, wait, there's more. This vaulted ceiling, this used to be a laundry room, so they tucked the laundry over here. Now they have these cabinets and functional space and a vaulted ceiling above here. It's just amazing, very well done. And look at this big vent hood right in the center is a focal point, and you can see it totally expands the space from what it was before. So how did you manage the construction while attempting to work productively at home? It was very crowded. With both of us working from home and both boys doing some school at home, we had a very full, noisy, chaotic house. During the day, we would all just shut ourselves in our respective spaces, me with the dogs, and use headphones. So Jen, did you have any suggestions for creating a budget and staying on track? Not really. We expanded the scope multiple times. We decided we really only want to do this project once, so we made it what we wanted. Fabulous! So Jen, what was your favorite feature of the renovation? Well, I love the open and airy kitchen. The area was boxed into small rooms before, and now it feels so light and bright. I also love that we have 3 distinct spaces for eating and gathering in the kitchen dining room area, but they are still connected. Is there anything you would have done differently? We would have finalized our choices all ahead of time instead of making some decisions along the way. We ended up doing a little rework because of decisions we made later in the game. What pro tip would you pass along to us? And the homeowner said, we moved all of our belongings from the first floor to a storage unit. It was great to have them out of the house and not have to worry about where they would go. Also, if you're going to live in your house when you remodel your kitchen, get an air fryer. Well, that's a great tip. I love that. What an amazing transformation. Thanks so much for showing us your renovation. I see that there's going to be a back-to-school bash in your future. Thanks so much. Have fun decorating.